Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make, or you can say how to activate your PS5 as a primary. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, as you can see, you need to click on your setting icon of your PS5, and once you click on your setting icon you will be see this window, and now you need to click on this option like accounts and users. And once you click on account and user, you need to select an option like you can see over here others. And once you click on others, you need to select like console sharing and offline play. Okay, and once you click on console sharing and offline play, you will see over here your account is looking like unable. Okay, so you need to click on this one like disable. If you have disabled this option, you need to click on enable it, and if you have enable, then you need to click on disable it. Okay, so you can decide which type of account you want primary or secondary. Then you can use any option, and you can press any button, and that's it. Once you restart this option again, and you will see you can again do anything what you want. Okay, so by using this method you can easily make your PS5 you can say primary account, or you can say secondary account. Okay, so this is the method by which you can easily change your primary or secondary account. Hopefully this video will helpful for you. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.